Okay, hi everyone, welcome back to my videos. As you can see, today on my table is a Makita rotary hammer drill with a changeable head, a tool holder. So okay, it's a HR2450FT. FT means the tool have this changeable tool holder. Okay, and what's wrong with it? The customer told that it smokes, so okay, it's good that it's not ring. Okay, so first thing what we need to do is to try to turn it on and check it. Okay, we can hear from the sound and see how slow it spins that it's a problem somewhere in the motor maybe. Okay, so first of all I'm removing the tool holder, checking how it looks. Of course now checking the hammer. Definitely hammer needs to be replaced because you can see that it's just fall in and falls out, so that's bad. Okay, so it's need a hammer, new o-ring, grease. Okay, I will write it down. Okay, so now I will open the back cover of the handle with the 3 screws up there. Okay, so what we can see here, we can see the carbon brushes, we can see the field. Of course, when doing that, don't forget to unplug your tool. Okay, so removing the carbon brush, it's fucked up. Okay, what the fuck we have here? Okay, the very big problem what we have here is not genuine carbon brushes, so they can damage the armature very easily. Okay, so and it's not genuine carbon brush here, and they was operated very stupidly because if you're putting not genuine carbon brushes, just put the ones they will fit. Okay, I will try to remove it and explain it. Okay, as you can see, it's a wire to connect the carbon brush. It's on the side, so on the genuine brush it's on the top, so this wire just touching the carbon brush holder and it's stuck inside, so that's really bad. Okay, so now we can inspect the armature. Okay, okay, sorry, back with the video. Just putting on the gloves again. So the carbon brushes, the fake carbon brushes are installed really bad. Okay, so that can be the problem of the tool not working. As you can see, here the carbon brush possibly was stuck. Okay, of course I will test it. Okay, it's moving, but of course it can be a reason of the tool not working. So okay, now I will unscrew the 4 screws here, and they are holding the motor housing with the hammer casing together. Okay, it's a long fuse with a PHU head. Okay, just taking out the armature. What can we see? We can see here the armature damage. We can see that here is damage too. Okay, maybe I will try to take it out and zoom it to the camera. Okay. Okay, so I will not take it out, don't want to hammer it too hard. Okay, so I will try to zoom it. Okay, so we can see here is the damage, it burned out here. Okay, Now the second place is here. You can see the burn mark here and here, so it's definitely it's a reason why the tool is working so bad. So we need new armature, we need new carbon brushes. Of course, now we need to inspect the field. Okay, what about the field? Don't be lazy and unscrew these two screws to take it out. Sometimes I'm lazy and I'm not doing that, but of course it's better to do that. Okay, now just hit the motor housing to the table. Okay, and taking the armature out. Of course, what we need to inspect the binding here, the color of the binding, so now it looks good. That second thing, what we need to do is to try to move the wires here, because sometimes they are burned out and moving forward and backward. Okay, so now the field is good, the motor housing itself is good. Okay, then inside is a rubber ring. Of course, check it for cracks. Sometimes it's all cracked because it's a metal flat washer here inside, so sometimes it's cracked. It's normally it's like this. So okay, so now we can take all that parts aside. Okay, now it's time to get into the hammer housing. So before taking this housing out, we need to remove this push knob. Okay, we need a screwdriver. We have the hole here and the hole here, so we need to lift this plastic piece up. So just getting the screwdriver. Okay, so you can see that it pops out. And we're just taking it out. It's a simple piece. Okay, now the push knob, pressing the red button down and spinning it counterclockwise till the end and taking out with a screwdriver. You can hear the spring pops out. Okay, it's a short spring from somewhere. Okay, normally the spring is not in here, so we will check. Okay, just pushing the tool holder, the cylinder out from the housing. Okay, you can see that it's a grease inside, it's a good sign. So now we can easily remove the cylinder, the hammer. Of course, we can check the wash bearing if it's wobbling or not. Now it's good. Okay, so you can inspect the corners of the clutch cam here. Okay, now the corners are good. You can see them without the assembling. So okay, of course, inspect this gear, the teeth of this gear, so they must be not damaged. Okay, so the o-ring definitely needs to be replaced. Of course, the oil grease must be replaced. You can leave the old grease, but it's if you are changing the new o-rings, so why to get them worn faster with the old grease? So, and the grease really not cost big money. Okay, this is the most expensive part for this tool, and this wash bearing is most expensive part for this tool. So yeah, we know that the wash bearing is good, so we need to check the tool holder, the cylinder. So we need to remove this spring ring. Okay, normally I'm removing it with pliers. You can do that with a screwdriver, or of course it will be a lot easier if you will press the flat washer down and then remove the ring. Okay, as the one end of the spring ring is out, I can lift all the ring with a screwdriver. Okay, so just taking everything in places. Okay, so it's a spring ring, it's a flat washer, it's a spring, it's a gear. Okay, now what can we see here? You can see that the clutch gear, the teeth of the gear is damaged here. Okay, see that I need to zoom it, get a closer look for you. Okay. Okay, now you can see the difference beside this side and this. Normally as they are new, they are the same, so you can see that the teeth here is the damage. So okay, I will lift it a little bit. You can see it's worn out here. It's that happens from overload. Okay, and you can see how looks this side and how looks this side. So definitely this gear needs to be replaced. Okay, I'm just getting the view back. Okay, if you know that the gear is damaged, definitely need to check the tool holder. Okay, and you can see that it's damaged too. So okay, yeah, okay, I will zoom it again. Okay, you can see how it looks. Focus you. Okay. Yeah, you can see that it's damaged here, and you can see how the good side is looking. Okay, so we need both parts for this one. So it's okay, so it's a really big problem. Okay, it may be that this tool will not work to repair because it really not part the armature, the clutch, the O-rings, the hammer. So okay, now we have the spring ring here inside. You can see the spring ring here. So we need to take it out with a screwdriver or with a puncher. It's everyone doing how it, I don't know how it was trained. Okay, normally I'm doing that with a puncher, just getting the cylinder in a vise. Okay, so now it's getting out. Just lifting it up. Okay, now I have the screwdriver. I just hit the end and bend it. Okay, so I'm able to catch the ring and try to take it out. Okay, now I will try to take it out to the pliers. It's not always getting out easy. Okay, I have the spring in here. Okay, I'm always recommend to replace it when you remove it. Okay, now, okay, what we have here. So we have the hammer, we have the bumper oil seal, we have other parts. It's a O-ring here, here. Okay, we can see that the hammer is really damaged. It's a bump here, so, and it's all, you can see how it's shiny when comparing with this side. So definitely we need a new hammer, new O-rings, new grease. So for this tool it's need really a lot of parts. So okay, we'll check with the customer if it's worth to repair it. Of course, if the customer will tell that we are repairing it, so I will back with a video of assembling it. So for now, really thank you for watching. Of course, please subscribe my channel if you are not subscribed. If you have the tools, you can send to me for the repair. I will be always happy to do that, and I think I'll do that for really good price with a really big discount. Okay, so for now, really thank you for watching and see you in my next videos. Bye.